Yeah, so this year we are introducing a smart pressure cooker and a smart air fryer attachment. So this pressure cooker consists of a few hardware upgrades. We have a 4.3-inch colorful display at the front to improve the progress indication, basically feedback to the users. We have a built-in scale, and for enhanced safety purposes we have fitted it with a electronic pressure release system, so you don't have to fiddle manually with the adjustment any longer. We also have some cool control handles, so you can actually make use of the pot itself, and with the air fryer lid attachment you can use it together in one system and basically not only cook the chicken but also crisp up the skin at the same time. And it ties into our product family that is already on the market, which is our Multo. And yeah, this has been on the market now since 2021, and it basically builds upon the whole system, the recipe library that is updated every week with our chefs and influencers we work with, where you can browse through the dietary preferences and basically see the ingredients, see the nutritional values, and when you start cooking, everything is explained to the user step by step with videos and pictures for enhanced convenience.
And these are all going to be available when?
So the Malta is already on the market in Amazon web shop, also Neiman Marcus. Now the Pronto and the Alto, they are coming this summer. We are going on a pre-order campaign end of this month, and then they will ship out around June, July.